waiting for this time yasekudala lento indidla bhebhe ngicela sibuyelanye ngisakuthanda kudala ndisifish buhle bakho hlala existent isweni yami yasuthando lwakho unqomo lakho everything about you I miss you tophehle kulo lonke ilizwe I can't lose you xa sihlabene let's try to fix this jonge ekhaya babhisi banibusa wena everyday ngabangani on the other hand kunzima no-explain yeah do it as if ublind girl ungabocinga please set me free mkhondo nami uhlala uringo fanele lilukuthi uyasuba ndiyakudinga khawuthethe kasi ndiyacela oyini mampinga awuthethelela thethelela mampinga awumina nthanda wena ayayay awuthethelela thethelela mampinga awumina nthanda wena masibuyelane 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 sijole njengakuqala baby masibuyelane 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 sijole njengakuqala yo man we went through a lot. Can you remind yourself about that? Get put in the young and punish six and get come on baby. Usisban sam kwindlela zam. Have messy unganhleki singe chapa zam. Vumele ndibonise the way ndikuthanda again. Ngeke ndula cause I swear you will feel no pain. So party so kwekhanda sibangene so chill it Dubai. Jemba mina kyozo mi fit is ngende right. I'm feeling well. Kanhleli nawe please don't go. Vele ungabonakali ndikuchecka nako chuku I've got so many friends but I swear ngizoshila nawe. Ndibonise the way ndikuthanda I felt before. Now yabona manje ndikhulile and focus kwi-life yam. Ndiyakuthanda nkosazana you are the part of life yam. Please vala amehlo ndikubonise ongekayiboni. Please give me your left hand khuluma edoniyelane. Umbuzo umile masibuyelane masibuyelane sijole njengakuqala baby masibuyelane